Friday, 200. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 152, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas: Cleburne, Conway, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Pope, P. O. P. E. Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, Van Buren, White, and Yell. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The temperature was The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 152, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas: Baxter, Boone, Cleburne, Fulton, Independence, Izard, Marion, Newton, Searcy, Sharp, Stone, and Van Buren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Northwestern storm counties in north central Arkansas until 3:45 p.m. and 3:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Green Forest, for 8 miles east of Maryville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. After 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact
thunderstorm warning for northwestern Marion County in north central Arkansas, northeastern Boone County in north central Arkansas until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located just north of Diamond City and Overlook Hill, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Diamond City, Red Hill, Willard, Price Lake, Ozark Isle, South Red Hill, Peel, Oakland, Monarch, Bowstow Lake. Peel, Oakland, Monarch, Bowstow Lake. Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Boone County in north central Arkansas until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Garrison, or 9 miles west of Harrison, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrison, Birdland, Bobby, Middle, Cap, South, Red Bank, Wynington, Bell Park, Alpena, Zinc, Batavia, Bear Creek Springs, Hopewell in Boone County, Ridgeway, Burlington. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for central Garland County and central Arkansas, west central Lone Oak County and central Arkansas, central Pulaski County and central Arkansas, central Saline County and central Arkansas, until 11 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in some areas. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Hot Springs, Benton, Sherwood, Jacksonville, West Little Rock, Maumelle, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, Downtown Little Rock, Lone Oak, Southwest Little Rock, North Little Rock Airport, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, Argenta, Mountain Pine, Kiel, and Lonsdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Baxter, Boone, Cleburne, Fulton, Izard, Marion, Newton. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newton County in north central Arkansas, northwestern Johnson County in western Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Weaverkill Village, or 4 miles northeast of Ozark, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walnut, Rosetta, Devil's Knob, Elk Grove in Johnson County, Dulles, Catawba, Yale, Ozone, Fallsville, Fort, Dixon Ridge, Hunt, Wolf and Camp, Arbaugh,